everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about PTE Core Writing. And in PTE Core Writing, we are going to unlock more tips and tricks about the task, summarize written text. So what is this task is all about? This task requires you to read a passage and condense its key points to a short summary of 25 to 50 words. So you will be reading a passage which will be around 200 words, and you need to make a short summary of it which should be between 25 to 50 words. If you write less than 25 words, or if you're going to write more than 50 words, then that will not be taken into account. So please be precise in your writing when it comes to writing the words counts. Okay. And the objective is to convey the essence of the passage concisely while maintaining accuracy and coherence. And this skill is vital for academic and professional communication, where summarizing information effectively is very crucial. And you will be having 10 minutes to complete the task. Now, what are the steps to approach it? We'll see it in the next slide. When it comes to steps to approach the task, the first one is understand the passage. Read the given passage or the text thoroughly. You need to pay attention to the main idea, supporting details, highlight keywords, key statistics, or recurring themes. So, whenever I'm giving you the tips or tricks, make sure that you are taking a note of it. You can take your notepad or a pen and paper and write it, because when you are hearing and writing it, so it will register in a better way. Please follow that. And the second one is you need to identify the structure. Most passages will have a clear structure, an introduction which tells what is the topic is about, and the body that tells about some explanations, few benefits or any challenges, and a conclusion. Conclusion always it's like a summary or its implications. So break the content into these sections mentally, and you need to condense the information. The third one, what do you mean by condensing the information? Just pick out the most critical points without copying exact phrases. Avoid including minor details or examples unless they directly support the main idea. And write the summary. Begin the main point of the passage. Then integrate the key supporting details logically and ensure the summary is precise, grammatically correct, and within the word limit. And finally, review your work. Double check that your summary reflects the main ideas and is free of errors. And remember, verify the word count. Now, let's see how to practice summarizing key points. The preparation. When it comes to summarizing key points, break down the passage into manageable parts, which means the bullet points, in order to identify the main idea and the supporting details of each paragraph. For example, in a passage about the benefits of ethanol as a fuel, you might note ethanol reduces emissions, it is compatible with existing systems, supports agriculture, and reduces fossil fuel reliance. So combine these into a single cohesive sentence like ethanol is a renewable fuel that reduces emissions, support agriculture, and offers a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels while being compatible with existing systems. And do not copy sentences directly from the passage. Avoid including unnecessary details such as minor statistics or less relevant examples. So try to avoid these things. These detract from the focus on your key point. So please be careful. And the second one is grammar and sentence structure. Always ensure proper grammar by starting with a capital letter and ending with a period. This is the one of the important thing when you're writing sentences or you're making more sentences within a paragraph. Please ensure proper grammar. Use punctuation correctly to separate ideas within the same sentence. For example, ethanol reduces emissions, supports agriculture, and provides a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. In these examples, if you have seen, we have started with an uppercase letter and ends with a period, and in between it has been separated with commas. So remember to use proper punctuation appropriately and check for subject verb agreement. Example, technology helps improve literacy rather than technology help improve literacy. You know, right? So this is the correct one. Technology helps improve literacy. Always make sure that the subject and the verb should agree in a sentence. And use appropriate transition words like and, but, or however to maintain a logical flow. And the next one is you need to stick to one sentence. Use conjunctions like and, but, however, or while to link multiple ideas in one complete sentence. For instance, global efforts to improve literacy focus on technology, community programs, and international collaborations empowering millions to access better opportunities while fostering societal development. Avoid splitting the summary into two or more sentences. Example of an incorrect response. Global efforts focus on technology and community programs. They empower individuals to access opportunities. Why this is an incorrect sentence? Because instead of writing one sentence, they have given it as a two sentences. And the next one is include all relevant information. Focus on the main points of the text and ensure all critical details are included. Avoid summarizing only the first paragraph or omitting significant points from later sections. Choose familiar vocabulary. This is very important. You need to use clear, simple words you understand well. If a passage mentions renewable energy, stick to the term rather than using complex synonyms like inexhaustible resources. For example, ethanol, a renewable fuel, reduces emissions, supports agriculture, and provides a sustainable solution for transportation, which is very simple and clear, right? If you're writing it as ethanol is a perennial fuel source that bolsters agronomics, this is somewhat like complex vocabularies you're using. Please don't do that. And here it's the correct way. Ethanol is a renewable fuel that supports agriculture. That sounds better, isn't it? And let me give you some additional tips for success. To score well in this section, it's essential to focus on several key elements like content, form, grammar, and vocabulary. So remember, these components and strategies are very important to perform effectively. When it comes to content, to earn the full 2 points for content, your summary must capture all the important points from the passage. Missing out on key information, it may reduce your score to 1 point or even zero if only a few points are mentioned. And the second one, form. Remember, your response must be written as a single complete sentence. This format is non negotiable. Writing in multiple sentences or failing to meet the word count will result in losing this point. So please be mindful for this form. And grammar, proper grammatical structure is very critical for achieving a high score. Writing a grammatically correct sentence with clear meaning earns 2 points. Mistakes that still allow for reasonable comprehension will score 1 point, while errors that disrupt meaning result in 0 points. So if you want to score 2 points, make sure your sentence is grammatically correct with clear meaning. And the fourth one, finally, vocabulary. The appropriate use of words that align with the passage content is crucial. Using familiar, well understood words can help you avoid losing points due to inappropriate or unclear language. That's all for today's video, and in our next video, we are going to see more examples related to the summarized written text task. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.